Want to protect your personal information on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to delete your birthday on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then, at the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down. Then tap on Profile Details. Then tap on Edit icon beside Basic Info. Now, unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow you to delete your birthday. Birth date is required. What you can do instead is tap on this icon at the right side of your birthday. Then select Only Me so that others won't know your birthday. Do the same for the year as well. And this is how you hide your birthday on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.